Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit samples in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find audio record and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with editing samples using GarageBand. The first thing we can do guys is look right here in the main page. At the top of the screen we have the tracks option, and next to track is live loops. So in the live loop section we can find all the loops that have been pre-made by GarageBand and Apple that we can start using, such as electro funk, we have EDM, hip hop and so on. So if you open it up, as you can see, it's going to open up those pre-made loops right here that you can get started with editing. You can see all the instruments that have been used right here. You can play it to see how it sounds, add any of your effects that you wish and so on to get your desired music. But this is one of the ways guys. So if you want to go ahead and add your own loops or find even more loops that you want to edit, let's go ahead and open up audio record right here. That's going to open up this recording menu, and in the upper left corner click on the button that's going to open up the mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have, as you can see right here. So we have our drums, keyboard we have already made and so on. And to be able to add samples, go right here in the upper right corner, click on this button, and this is now going to open up the Apple loop section again where you can find the loops or you have your files. So what you can do guys is, if you have your samples, you can go ahead and browse them from the files app. As you can see, there is a button so you can find your samples that you have in your iCloud or iPhone, it doesn't matter, and add them directly to your tracks. As you can see, you can drag and drop them into your tracks, and this is how you can use your own samples. And now you can get started with editing them, adding any effects you might want to use and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.